On a quiet September night in 1666, London went to sleep as usual. By morning, the greatest city in England was burning. This was not an invasion, not a war, not a rebellion. It started in a bakery. What followed was 4 days of fire so powerful it erased a medieval city and reshaped modern London forever. In 1666, London was overcrowded, wooden, and dangerously flammable. Houses were packed tightly together. Streets were narrow. Most buildings were made of timber, pitch, and thatch. Fire was a daily risk, but no one imagined total destruction. London had survived plagues, wars, and political chaos, but it was unprepared for what was coming. Shortly after midnight on September 2, 1666, a fire broke out in Thomas Farriner's bakery on Pudding Lane. At first, it seemed small, manageable, but strong winds pushed the flames from house to house. Within hours, the fire was out of control. London had firefighting methods, but they failed. Water pumps were weak. Fire breaks were delayed. Officials hesitated. They feared destroying property. That delay cost the city everything. As flames spread, panic followed. People fled with whatever they could carry. The city turned into chaos. The fire burned uncontrollably for 4 days. Churches collapsed. Homes vanished. St. Paul's Cathedral, thought to be fireproof, was destroyed. The heat was so intense, stone cracked and melted metal ran like water. London was no longer a city. It was an inferno. As the fire raged, fear turned into blame. Foreigners were attacked. Rumors spread of sabotage. England was at war with Europe, and suspicion ruled the streets. But the truth was simpler and more tragic. The fire was an accident, but its consequences were very real. Eventually, the winds died down. Fire breaks were finally created, and the flames stopped. Over 80% of London was destroyed. Tens of thousands were homeless. Miraculously, official death records were low, but history suggests many were never counted. London stood in ashes. From disaster came transformation. Wooden houses were banned. Streets were widened. Buildings were rebuilt in stone and brick. Fire safety laws were created. Modern city planning was born. London would never burn the same way again. The Great Fire of London was not just destruction. It was a warning and a rebirth. Sometimes civilization advances only after disaster. London burned so the future could be built safer.